Welcome to free online classes of physics with Lambor sir. So we know that flow of fluids are of two types, streamline flow and second one is the turbulent flow. The flow of fluid can be either streamlined or turbulent and that can be distinguished on the basis of velocity of the fluid flow. We know that critical velocity is the term which is used to differentiating the type of the fluid flow. As velocity of fluid flow is less than certain limiting velocity, which is critical velocity, then that flow is the streamline or laminar flow, and velocity of fluid flow is greater than critical velocity, then the flow will be the turbulent. Secondly, Reynolds number is the number used to determine the nature of fluid flow. So let us study the two terms, critical velocity and Reynolds number. So critical velocity is the certain limiting velocity below which flow of fluid will be the streamline or laminar. And when the velocity of flow of fluid increases beyond critical velocity, the streamline flow becomes turbulent flow. And this critical velocity is the difference gives the differentiation between streamline flow and turbulent flow. So whether the fluid is flowing in a streamline flow or flowing in turbulent flow can be distinguished with the help of this term, which one? Critical velocity. And when velocity of the fluid flow is becomes greater than critical velocity, then the streamline flow converts into turbulent flow. So in this way, the term critical velocity differentiate between streamline flow and turbulent flow. Now, the second term, Reynolds number. What is it? Reynolds number is purely a number, and as it is number, it has no unit and no dimensions. But it is used to determine nature of the flow of fluid through a pipe. कारण फ्लुइडचा फ्लो प्लेन सरफेस वरून होऊ शकतो, ट्यूब्स मधून होऊ शकतो. त्यापैकी ट्यूब्स मधून जो फ्लुइडचा फ्लो होईल त्याचं नेचर डिटरमाइन करणारा नंबर म्हणजे रेनॉल्ड्स नंबर. सो इट इज अ प्युअर नंबर which is used to define the nature of flow or determine the nature of flow, which is through pipe or tubes. So let us try to find expressions for critical velocity and Reynolds number. Let us start to find expression for critical velocity. According to Reynolds, critical velocity of any fluid depends upon the three terms: coefficient of viscosity of that fluid, density of that fluid, and diameter through which the fluid, diameter of the pipe through which the fluid is flowing. And it is given that Reynolds नुसार critical velocity of any fluid is directly proportional to the coefficient of viscosity of the fluid, but inversely proportional to density of fluid and diameter of that pipe. So symbolically, critical velocity is given by the formula Vc, directly proportional to coefficient of viscosity eta यानं दाखवलेला आहे, inversely proportional to density of fluid and inversely proportional to diameter of the tube. Now, if you replace this proportionality sign, then constant will be there, and this constant Rn is nothing but रेनॉल्ड्स नंबर. मग या इक्वेशन 1 मध्ये तुम्हाला एक्सप्रेशन मिळालं क्रिटिकल व्हेलॉसिटी, And critical velocity is the term used for the differentiation between streamline flow and turbulent flow. Because below the critical velocity, the flow of fluid referred as streamline. And if the velocity of fluid flow becomes greater than critical velocity, then streamline flow converts into turbulent flow. Okay, in this equation, the terms we have mentioned are diameter of the tube small d, eta is the coefficient of viscosity of the fluid, rho density of fluid, and proportionality constant जो इथं Rn घेतलेला आहे आपण, this is nothing but Reynolds number. Now let us try to find the expression for Reynolds number. So from equation 1 we can find the expression for Reynolds number. So Reynolds number for a given fluid is given by Rn equal to Vc into rho d divided by eta. Once again the terms have the same meaning. So equation 2 gives the expression for Reynolds number and equation 1 gives the expression for critical velocity. Critical velocity is useful to differentiate between streamline flow and turbulent flow, but Reynolds number is used to determine the nature of the fluid flow through a pipe. This Reynolds number, as we have mentioned, it is a pure number. आणि जर हा प्युअर नंबर असेल तर त्याला कुठलं युनिट असणार नाही, त्याचबरोबर डायमेन्शन्स पण असणार नाही. सो इट इज युनिटलेस ॲज वेल ॲज डायमेन्शनलेस. आणि रेनॉल्ड्स नंबर किती आहे यावरून तुम्ही फ्लुइड फ्लोचं नेचर ठरवू शकता. आणि ते नेचर ठरवण्यासाठी रेनॉल्ड्स नंबर कॅन बी स्टडीड अंडर 3 conditions. So let us study which are the conditions given to the Reynolds number, and by using that Reynolds number, flow of fluid, its nature can be determined. So first condition is for the streamline or laminar flow. For a streamline flow, Reynolds number will be less than 1000. म्हणजे जर आपल्याला माहित झालं रेनॉल्ड्स नंबर हा लेस दॅन 1000 असेल तर त्या फ्लुइडचा फ्लो डेफिनेटली तुम्ही समजू शकता इज अ लॅमिनर वन, इज द स्ट्रीमलाइन वन. And if the value of Reynolds number lies between 1000 and 2000, greater than 1000 but less than 2000, then for this value of condition what will happen? Reynolds number greater than 1000 less than 2000 असेल तर what will happen? Streamline flow may changes into turbulent flow. Laminar flow may changes into turbulent flow under this value between 1000 and 2000. And third condition is that if value of Reynolds number is greater than 2000, then definitely the flow is turbulent flow. So these are the 3 conditions which are determine the nature of the flow of fluid, whether it is streamline, whether it is turbulent, or whether the streamline flow is changing into turbulent. You can find from the values of the Reynolds number. So in this way we understand the two terms. We clear the concept regarding the two terms. Critical velocity, Reynolds number. What critical velocity decides? Critical velocity differentiates. This critical velocity is used for differentiation between the streamline flow and turbulent flow. How it differentiates? Below critical velocity, flow will be the streamline. म्हणजे जर flow of fluid, velocity of the flow of fluid is less than critical, then it is streamline flow. And when the velocity of flow of fluid is greater than critical, then the flow will be turbulent. And when the velocity of flow of fluid is equal to critical, then the flow, streamline flow, may converts into turbulent flow. And regarding the Reynolds number, this is a pure number which is used to define the nature of flow, used to determine the nature of flow. And there are three conditions for the Reynolds number. And using that three conditions, you can determine whether it is streamlined flow or turbulent flow. Okay, with this, we end this session.